affects, I think, this Department of Justice under Attorney General Jeff Sessions and President Trump direction is going to have a devastating effect on future generations. When you just look at the simple policies that they're imposing, especially when it talks about for-profit prisons, this whole notion that we want to encourage contractual relations between the federal government and corporations who has as their business model to incarcerate Americans. Because that's what this is about. They're saying, we're going to incentivize you to be able to make money for mass incarceration of American citizens. I can't think of anything as asinine as making incarceration about profit other than slavery. And when you think about that in that context, getting cheap, inexpensive labor legally by discrimination, then it becomes apparent that these policies that the previous administration with President Obama was saying, we have to do away with this. We can't continue to do this prison industrial complex. It doesn't help us at all as a country, but it may help a few individual corporations. It should never be about the powerful and the rich. It should always be about us all as Americans being able to live out the destiny and fulfillment of our lives without having our liberty taken away from us. And that is the most devastating thing, I think, that this Department of Justice is doing that's going to have a tremendous impact. They're doing other things as it relates to immigration, as it relates to voting rights, and, this whole thing about voter fraud that nobody can seem to find other than those individuals. But that prison industrial complex is going to be devastating in so many ways that we haven't even seen yet.